Every Uponor ProPEX fitting is more than just a connection. It is a precision engineered component with built-in information right on the label. Uponor ProPEX fittings are used to create secure, flame-free connections in PEX-a plumbing and hydronic systems. Uponor offers these fittings in engineered polymer and lead-free brass. These fittings connect using the ASTM F1960 expansion method, forming a permanent leak-free seal. Each fitting is clearly marked with important information you need in the field. Size, for quick identification of each port. Material type, EP for engineered polymer, LF for lead-free brass. ASTM F1960, showing that it is certified for ProPEX connections. NSF and UPC marks, confirming that it meets potable water and building code standards. And lastly, the Uponor logo, so you know that it's backed by a 25-year limited warranty when used with Uponor pipe and rings. Clear markings, certified performance. Uponor ProPEX fittings give you confidence in every connection, backed by the information that you need, and it's molded right into the fitting. Always verify the size and orientation before installation, especially with reducing fittings or multi-port tees. Proper label reading ensures you're using the right fitting for the right job. And remember, on smaller diameter fittings, you are able to spin the fitting after the connection is made to ensure that it is pointed in the right direction for the lifetime of that connection.